Okay, Proton Perdana Accord. Okay, this is similar like a Honda Accord 2008, but it's a Proton Perdana. Okay, change aftermarket 10.1 inch Cogoo QLED screen, OEM casing. So this casing is same with the Honda Accord 2008. So it's a Proton Perdana casing. Okay, it's an add-on player on top. Okay, then connect to original player, the aux input, aux video input. For the power socket, okay, for this casing is same use with the Honda Accord, but if for Proton Perdana, the OEM socket you have to modify. There's no OEM socket in the market, but you still can use for the plug and play. But we modify the socket wiring. Aftermarket use another socket to modify it. With the 360 bird view, okay, show you for reverse. When reverse, auto show to the reverse camera. Okay, when parking or D or N, auto front camera function. Navigation, video, music, radio. Okay, music you can play by USB or you can direct online to play. A panorama, 360 bird view, a 3D version and 2D version. Okay, can touchscreen control, left hand side, a right hand side, a front, a rear. Do a setting, a back, 360. Multi-angle adjust, multi-angle view. Okay, a different angle on the side. A 360. 3D view. Okay. Okay, full menu. It's got a Bluetooth core pairing with your phone Bluetooth to get your phone. It's got a mic input, external mic input to get your more clear voice for receiver. Okay, file explorer to manage your file. It's got a 2 USB extension. 2 USB extension we put in a drawer, and a 4G SIM slot. It's inside a 4G data SIM. You can direct online. It's got a GPS antenna and a 4G antenna will hidden inside the pillar. DTS 5.1, a preset. It's got a preset channel here. YouTube, Spotify, Waze all can download from Play Store. You log in it by Gmail from the Play Store to download app. A Z link for CarPlay or Android Auto. So this is a Cogoo QLED CG8 8-core processor, 4GB RAM, 64GB ROM with 360 bird view. A right hand side camera. So it's a universal touchscreen camera. So we'll drill a hole to fix in. The front parking camera. A left hand side. And a rear camera. So it's got a 4 camera to fix in. It's a Perdana installed by Waze and video by Andy. So it's a Cogoo CG8 spec here. 8-core processor, 4GB RAM, 64GB ROM. A screen resolution 1280x720. It's built-in a HDMI output. A Cogoo. Contact us. Our shop location in Seri, Kembangan, Balakong, Selangor, Malaysia. Thank you.